Oh, yeah. But they're kids and it's sand. What do you expect?
See, that guy's gonna go yell at those people now.
Yep. Those are the people who get yelled at. That's the guy gonna do the yelling.
You're kind of mean.
Those are the kids of cuteness. Hey, the wifey of cuteness.
You're silly.
Yep, that's what I do. I just kissed her.
Don't tell. Look at you just did. Damn it, now I'm gonna have to kill you.
It'll be awesome when that part of you killing me gets emailed to our family. And it's just like right off the screen.
That's why I did it. Oh, he sent them away.
Or maybe they just decided to go away.
Why is he in candies?
I don't know. There's Munchkin digging, or he got distracted from digging to watch volleyball.
Well, look at Sissy being all happy.
Yeah, she's often quite happy. And she gets interrupted again.
Keep digging.
Keep digging.
You changed your mind. The ship's leaving.
Huh. And the really big boat just turned around to go away.
It really is leaving too. You can see it.
Yeah.
It's getting small. That's random. I have to. You have sand in your eyebrows.
Okay, I'm done recording now.